I'll guide you through how to find the default location of where videos are exported to from CapCut, and secondly, I'll show you how you can go and change that location. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type %appdata% and open the folder. This will open File Explorer. Now at the top, click on AppData to go back one step. Then open the local folder. Scroll down and find the CapCut folder. Open it and then go into the Videos folder. Here you'll find all your exported videos. If your videos were saved in the default location, they will appear here. If you want quick access, you can drag this Videos folder to Quick Access on the left side. This way you can open it anytime easily. Now if you want to change where your videos are saved, open CapCut. Click on Export at the top right. In the Export window, look for the Export to option. Click on the folder icon. Now choose any location like desktop or videos folder. Click Select and export your video. Your video will now be saved in your chosen location. And that's it. That's how you find and change CapCut export location on PC. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.